YouTube, tropical visuals here, man, with another banger video for y'all boys, man. And so if you see the title of the video, man, what I'm going to be doing strictly in this video, I got some pieces right now. I got on the bed right now, as you can, well, I don't know if y'all can see, but I got one of these pieces like right now. I'm going to be doing for today's video. I'm going to be doing top 5 pieces I put in my closet. I wanted to show y'all the best pieces I have. You feel me? These pieces cost a lot of money, but it's really top pieces, clothing brand pieces. But you know, by far, I had these for a minute, and yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. And I'm also going to be doing another shoe collection, so stay tuned to that video. And yeah, I got some of the pieces on my bed. I got some Vlone, some other hype stuff on the bed. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. This is one of the pieces I actually, you know, put on. This will actually look nice. It's one of the New York ASAP Rocky merch, one of the shirts. And yeah, this is like a one-on-one piece. I don't think it's gonna be released again, but it got the ASAP Bari on the boys in the back. You feel me? This piece is really hard, and I had this for a minute. You know, this was actually for my older brother, and it fits perfectly on me. But hey, stay tuned to the video, give it 10 likes, and we're gonna jump into these other pieces. And so basically, I got this Bape sweater, you feel me? Well, not Bape sweater, Bape shirt. I'm gonna try on, do a little try on for you guys also too. But this side is looking like this regular Bape shirt. It's got the size medium. Got the little Bape consistency right here. I'm also put it on and try it on for you guys, but this is really it. There's so much. Got the front Bape and the front Bape sign in the front, and the back of it just shows by bathing ape on the back end. You know, I'm gonna toss something for you guys, and yeah. Alright, so this indeed how the Bape shirt looks on. Let me give y'all a review, a 360 review. But this how the front of it looks. I mean, nothing too crazy. Yeah, this how the front of the Bape shirt looks. Size medium with the purple camo. This how it looks in the front. It's like a black. It's a black and purple. And on the back of it, Bape sign. You feel me? Not too crazy, not too much about this. My pictures are on Instagram. Instagram will be in the link in the description for everything. You know, the hoodies I have, the hoodies on my watch list, all that stuff. Stay tuned to my Instagram. It's gonna be linked in the description. And yeah, man, this is how the Bape shirt indeed looking like. I don't know if I should wash this, because I did warn this, like I said a couple times, not too much, but it do got some stains. But I might spray like some spray, some stay spray to make it get off. But with expensive clothing like these, you don't want to wash them every time. And it just, you know, hold them. I'm gonna hold them and like keep them clean as possible. Fun fact, if you didn't know, let's go to shirt 2. Alright, so I'm back with the shirt 2, or you know, the outfit number 2. And this is the second, you know, piece I have, my clothing top piece. And this is my top 2 piece, I'll say. It's another Bape shirt, well, sweater. You know, got the Bape sign in the front. If you new or if you're tuning in, this was in the last video. I did have, you know, this sweater, did a hoodie video, and I had this in there. But go watch the last video. This is how the Bape shirt looks. You got the sweater right here. You got the Bape logo in the front. Nothing too crazy. Give y'all a 360 look of it. You feel me? All my pieces, you know, I work hard for it, and like, you know, I really work hard for it. And soon or later, all my clothing, hopefully one day, if I really work hard, you know, it's gonna get better and better. And I want to show y'all, you feel me, the process, the grind. You feel me? I like putting that shit on. You feel me? I put that shit on, but look, you feel me? I'm really humble. They say I'm really humble. These pieces, all these pieces I had was over, like, let's say a year ago and stuff. I really grinded for real, and now I'm here posting these videos, doing reviews for you guys. And I hope that you guys like these videos. For real, it takes time and hard work to edit them and stuff. But if you can, all I ask you guys to do is just drop a like button and subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you don't miss another video. And you feel me? Show love if you really actually miss a nigga video. You feel me? It's just gonna get better and better and better. It's gonna be a journey, and whoever's watching now, you're gonna be early, and just stick to the journey, man. We're gonna be on the road to 10K, 100K. But yeah, man, I just had to give you all a little pep talk. I hate getting my little feelings, and you know, going to little talks like that, I'll be ranting. But let's get to the video though, man. Alright. I got this Bape piece right here though. This is the front. Got the Bape logo on the wrist part. I think this is my best piece. I have my best Bape piece, but you got the Bape in the front, and the Bape in the back, and you can wear this with anything: black jeans, gray khaki jeans, blue jeans, anything really much. You can wear this with really anything really much. Yeah, you can wear this with really anything pretty much. I'll be wearing all black with this, and then as the white on there, it really shows from, you know, my hat. And let's say anything I have a white on, but you know, I like with this, I put it on mostly every time. And yeah, it's one piece I'm gonna have forever. And I'm gonna take some more pictures of these. I don't really think I think I took pictures of these. Actually go like them on my Instagram. I really just took pictures of these doing this sweater. You feel me? It's gonna be right here somewhere on the screen. But yeah, go like them on Instagram. The link will be in the description. And I'm gonna move on to my piece 3. Alright, so I'm back with the piece number 3, and this is with another Bape shirt or hoodie or whatever, because like really shirt, but another Bape piece I have. And yeah, this you don't really have too much to say about it. It's a double-sided Bape shirt. You got the black on one side and you got the camo on the other side. You can pick which one you want to be on a certain day, but I don't really, to be honest, if we're being really honest, hey, I don't like this one. Like, as a kid, I wanted it to look fire, but I think the hoodie look better than a shirt. I don't know if it's me, but yeah, that's my opinion pretty much on this. I don't really wear this too much, but yeah, I think it just cause and draw a lot of attention. But yeah, I mean, you can wear this with nothing too crazy. You can wear this with sweatpants. I got some sweatpants on actually right now. I'm filming this video. Wear this with some sweatpants. Throw some a little fit on there, or some jeans, even though too. And yeah, that'll be a fit. But I don't wear this out all day. I feel like, you feel me? You gotta have motion. Let me set this camera up. But yeah, I don't wear like this every day. I don't know why, but like these are like some of my expensive pieces. I just like, you know, when I wake up, I just wear regular clothing pieces. I don't wear these. I don't know why, but I just still remain humble. I wake up every day and know that, you know, I really work hard for all this stuff. But yeah. Let's move to my 4th piece, bro. Well, I also would say too, before like I move on to this next piece, if you're buying any Bape or any Bape shirts, really much, you go a size up. This, I believe, is a size small, if I'm not too sure. This is a size. This is actual extra small. This is really extra small. I don't know if you can really catch it and see the camera. No, it's extra large. I'm tripping. It's extra large, but it's shrunk over time. But I'd say go a size up. It kind of fit weird, but it looked like a medium. But yeah, I'll say go with the size up, the sizing. This is a medium I have right here, but if you know your exact size, then go with the exact size. But I'd say go a size up, because once it shrink and you put it in the washer when it get dirty, if you wash it, it's going to shrink, and you don't want it to shrink with the type of fabric this is. So go a size up. Alright, so I'm back with my 4th piece. This is a regular Vlone shirt. This is indeed in a size large. I got it in, and I had this, I think, ever since I was in sophomore year, about like 2 years now. I'm out of school now, but yeah, it actually fit me now. I'm gonna actually go dry it after the video to make it shrink. But yeah, this is just a regular Vlone piece. I would say if you get any pieces or like a Vlone piece like this, anything that's really cotton wise, go a size up. I'm size small. I should have got medium, but this is large. But it took time to fit me. But yeah, and in the back we got the Vlone piece, big Vlone sign. Shout out to Bari. I ain't gonna lie, this is one of my favorite pieces I have. shirt wise, I don't wear this at all. It's barely worn. Like in this video, I worn it in a couple of times, but yeah, barely worn. And yeah, I really think it's a nice piece I have. It also shows I got these double helix, like another earpiece too right here. I don't know if y'all can see. It shows more too, like when I put my hair back. But yeah, I like the rhinestones. This is like rhinestones. It's like a rhinestone Vlone hoodie. And yeah, it just yeah, you feel me? You put this shit on, bro. It make you feel like, yeah, bro. But no, I really like this piece. All in all, bro. You know, it just shows a lot, and I can bust a fit on this. You wear it all black. You feel me? All black. I can wear this. You feel me? Easy slide. I don't think I can do the mismatch. But hey, I don't care whoever say these are burnt out, Vlone burnt out, all that stuff. But I'm gonna hold this for a good minute, and you know, hopefully later on I'm gonna sell it and stuff. But yeah, I just like this piece. On to the 5th piece I'm gonna show y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the sizing tag on this too. This how it indeed look like. You got the Vlone. You got the Vlone. The back of the Vlone piece. Got the rhinestones in the front. Shows friends. This is an expensive Vlone piece. It goes for a lot of money, and this is what it shows on the tag. You know, you got the big Vlone piece. And over it shows the details, all that other stuff, the good stuff. I got it, like I said, in the size large. Got it in the size large. Show it made in Vlone, dry clean only. You can't really dry this too much, and it shows live, die Vlone. But no, this is really hard. And yeah, bro. I'm gonna bust this down with a fit on Instagram soon. But yeah, follow my Instagram. Stay tuned to all that stuff if you don't want to miss out. My hair kind of looking crazy on the camera, but yeah, I'm gonna move on to the 5th piece. I don't want to hold y'all on. Got 2 more pieces. I'm gonna save one of the best one for last, and yeah, let's get to the last piece. Alright, so I indeed got another Vlone piece. I got the Vlone piece. I think it's the Pop Smoke version, the snake, but oof. Okay. Yep, I got another Vlone piece. The back shows the big snake in the back, the V with the red eyes. In the front, got the Vlone. This did actually get bleached right here. And I was gonna indeed sell it, but what I might do, I might just bleach the whole shirt. You know, kind of make it tie-dye, bleach the front. It's gonna look fire. Got the big Vlone, and the back shows Vlone too. Got the sizing right here. And this one is indeed the size medium is in. Got in the size medium. So size medium, made in Vlone, dry clean only, live Vlone, die Vlone. So you know it's been authenticated and all that stuff. But yeah, this is a hard ass piece. Let me put this on real quick and show y'all. And yeah. Hey Siri. Alright, so this is the Vlone shirt. This the Vlone shirt I indeed got on. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like this shirt better than that one, the other Vlone piece I have. What's so crazy, this is my first time busting this Vlone piece on. I'm gonna be real, I'm not gonna lie to you, this was good for now. To my boy, he gave it to me because it had the bleach stains. It had the bleach stains. Shout out to my boy. Shout out to my boy. Feel me? In the back shows the Pop Smoke one. This one go crazy for me. It's straight. It low-key look kind of big because it's a size medium, but it fits small. If that makes sense. This one look bigger, fits bigger. And yeah, I think I'm gonna for this one only because it's for the Vlone, and it just yeah, bro. I think I can wear this, you know, around the house, you know, in the shower, you know, in the pool, all that stuff. I'm just talking, but nah. I think this piece is hard. Got the back of the snake in the back. And yeah, you can wear this with really anything much, I'll say, bro, and some chill stuff. But for fit, you can wear this with anything, for real, to the gym. Yeah, bro. I got one more piece I'm gonna show y'all. I think I'm gonna wear this piece after when this video finished because it's hard. But I got one more piece I'm gonna show y'all. Like the video, you feel me? Comment and subscribe and press the bell if you're new so you can get more type of videos like these. And I'm gonna put on the 6th piece, my last piece, and I got a surprise for y'all for this last piece. Let's go. Alright, so look, this is indeed my last piece. This is indeed the last piece I have on. This is the Como Discus on. Long sweater shirt, you can say. And this is really hard. I like this one. It's nothing much to say about it. It got the polka dots all over on it. Got the CDG logo right here. The red heart logo. Back, same thing. Got polka dots in the back. But yeah. I bought this for like a good, I think $90. $90. I had all my pieces I indeed got from eBay too. So yeah, I really been doing shopping on Grail, eBay, and all that just to cop them pieces. And yeah, I got this one for $90. I had all these pieces I had also was for a couple years ago. And yeah, I think this piece is really hard. I indeed do got the matching shoes with it too. I got the matching shoes with it too. This go hard, so I'm gonna bust a fit with these. I got the CDG high top polka dot Converse shoes. These were, I also had the regular kinds, but I sold the regular kinds. But I think I like the polka dot ones because it matches these, and also it's different. It's kind of like the same like the other ones, but they're different. Nothing much is much to say. Got the heart on the side of it. Got the heart on the side of them. I haven't really worn these in a minute. Yeah, you know, and I'll say yeah, I got this in a size, I think this is a size small. I got this in a size small, if I'm not too mistaken. If y'all can see, no, I got this in a size small though. I think I should have went bigger with the medium, but yeah. This is about to be the end of the video though. If you like the video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, join the family for don't miss another video, and press the bell. You know, it only motivates me to keep on going and keep dropping more videos, good video quality, banger videos like these. You know, all these pieces I have, everything I have, like respectfully, I work hard, humbly, and yeah, I just wanna not really show y'all, but as this journey goes through, as I'm doing YouTube and you know, living my life, I just want to show y'all everything, you know, that I got going on. And all these pieces I have right here on the bed, I really work hard for it. But and if it wasn't for you guys also too, most importantly you guys too, that motivate me to you know, get up, do the videos and grind hard every day to do this, it wouldn't be able and possible for you guys. You feel me? 100K soon on the way. I'm gonna get that soon. Feel me? Just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, man. More bangers, all that. You feel me? Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I got another video I'm about to drop, record too soon. It's a shoe video. That's all I'm gonna say. But other than that, feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, and yeah, we out. Gang.